Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a quick video on me showing my daughter's hair. She went to camp for a week and they've been going to the pool every single day for that week. And her hair is extra crispy, okay? It is extra dry. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly what I do to get her hair re-moisturized. So I use water and then I go in using my favorite leave-in conditioner, not leave-in conditioner, but my favorite conditioner by Aussie Moist. Okay, what you want to do is saturate the hair with water and saturate the hair with conditioner. You do not want to be afraid. She's so silly, but you do not want to be afraid to use this conditioner. Okay, it's cheap conditioner, use it. I don't know what they put in this conditioner, but this conditioner has helped me along the years with managing her hair and detangling. If you go back to my other videos, you'll know that as a little girl, her hair texture definitely changed. It's a lot more drier now, but I still know how to take care of her hair. And as you can see, proof is in the pudding, her hair is extra long. I am unraveling her hair. I saturated her hair with the conditioner, and you have to go slow, okay? Especially the ends. You have to start at the ends. Go slow. Take your time. It's very tedious. And as you can see, as I am untwisting the twist, there are some hair that is tangled and matted, but just take your time. It'll slide right off with a good conditioner. Detangling would be a breeze, okay? That's why I like using the Aussie Moist conditioner, and I have big bottles of it too because it really helps me with her hair.